Etac Clean is an award-winning shower commode chair. There have been imitators and copycats, but the original has always been the best, and we still seek ways to improve it. Today, Etac Clean is better than ever, a cleaner clean. The smart design and functional features have been key to its success. Etac Clean is compact and easy to maneuver, yet spacious for the user. The seat has a recess at the front and is fully open at the rear. The comfortable foot support is always available, but never in the way. When it comes to the latest improvements, our focus has been on making clean even cleaner, both in look and for ease of cleaning. One example is redesign of the caster attachments. We're also proud to present our new fresh colors, white and lagoon green. Etac Clean, a cleaner clean.